Corona time right now.
Right. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Parkour, mad parkour. Let's go, mad parkour style. Whoa. Ah! Oh no. Ooh. Mad parkour time. Ah! Mad parkour time. Over the fire. ShopRite! Corona hits hard, you know? Let's go. We need some vanilla ice cream. We need milkshake. More parkour! More parkour! Ah! More parkour!
Corona time.
Corona time, let's go. Daddy to Corona today! We have to see if Dave stops Corona free.
She is gonna punch us in the face.
I think she has Corona. I think your wife has Corona. I'm dying. Mom!
It's even funny that you can't get out of the store.
This is my family-friendly channel. This is my family-friendly channel. Okay, we're storming ShopRite.
But it's Corona time.
She might.
Seriously, I gotta protect myself from this infestation.
This is for stairs. Alright, we have to.
You gotta watch yourself every step of the way out here. It's dangerous as hell.
I hate you.
Oh God, this is a dangerous time, Dad.
It's very dangerous. You gotta protect yourself. Watch your car backing up. The mask doesn't protect you from that. Seriously, I don't want to get infected. You gotta watch everywhere you go. I hope they have toilet paper. I really hope they have toilet paper. I so need toilet paper. Let's get a car.
Shut up!
We got a car. Oh, the wheels one. There's chicken bone in it. Looks like it's...
Shut up! Dad! Let me in. Oh God!
Let's go.
You drive! I'll grab the toilet paper!
Don't.
Ah! You're a terrible driver!
We're moving.
No, I love it. Let me tell you, I work at RCA. Oh, shit, ain't no more, y'all. And we are not.
This is a dangerous time!
Where are we going first?
Toilet paper!
Toilet paper?
We need toilet paper!
TP.
Toilet paper is a priority!
She actually ditched us. I can't believe she ditched us.
Get back here! Get back here, Corona written person! Go! Good to go! Ah! Ah! Mom!
Unwanted
Dad!
watches from us.
Dad, where's the toilet paper? Dad, where's the toilet paper?
Oreos are on sale?
Woo! Toilet paper! Where's the toilet paper? Ow!
You good? Don't look at you.
Don't walk near me. Got it.
Where should we go to?
Dad, not trying to be rude. I think your wife is Corona ridden.
I think she has Corona.
I think your wife has Corona. It's going surprisingly well.
Watch out.
Oh, Jesus.
Stop, don't break the Oreos and you don't survive.
The only thing we're getting is stairs.
People are actually looking at us like we're actually serious.
Okay, this is very intense. Oh, look at that doggy. That's a cute doggy. I bet that dog has coronavirus, though. You have to wear the gas mask to live. You got a nod. Hey, lady.
Do you know how many people breathed on that asparagus today?
Yeah, Mom, do you know how many people breathe on that asparagus?
Bunch of you and EJ go trying to find.
Where is the toilet paper in this place?
Go see if they have toilet paper.
Oh, toilet paper.
Okay, let's go. It's Corona time. Okay, sorry for not uploading for the past like 5 days or whatever. I'm recording from the interesting happened. It was Corona. That's why no one's taking it. God. The world could end any second. The government is going to crash. Toilet paper. Toilet paper.
Toilet paper. Toilet paper. No.
This is really important. Oh, it's really hot in this mask. Anything to live. The coronavirus! Where is the coronavirus? We need to burn it! Where is the coronavirus? What is this? What is this? Wow! Where is the coronavirus?
You may not be able to get out. So if you want to drop that right there, we'll drop
Where
right
is
here.
the coronavirus?
Yeah, you white woman.
Okay. Right here. Give me thumbnail time. Do it again.
You're killing me. Ready?
Okay, I got it. Thumbnails!
Stop.
No. This is bad. Bad for your soul. Bad for your soul. You're gonna get infected. You're gonna get infected. You're gonna get infected. Oreo! You're gonna get infected. Since they're out of toilet paper, I'm going to find it. Okay. This is intense. Like everything's gone now. Who takes tuna? Nothing. Corona hits hard! The corona hits hard! Good. Dun, 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 They're out of toilet paper! Dad, look at the camera! Dad, this is so sad. They're out of toilet paper.
You too. Let's take a picture for Facebook, okay?
I got it. That's what this.
Answer me.
Oh, you're such an old person. You 40-year-old boomer. That's amazing. Hello, lady. Lady, get
My hands are full.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Why didn't you wear your mask, Mom? Mom, this
There's
is
absolutely no toilet
this is a
paper.
crucial time. There's no more toilet paper. Ah!
Just hold any cereal out.
No, sorry, bro.
Yeah, we want fruit snacks.
No, we have 2 boxes.
I think we should abandon her. She's gonna die of corona. There's no Chucks. They're flavorless
No,
and good.
there's 5 boxes.
They're
downstairs.
perfect flavor. No,
Nope.
we have no Chucks. Disgusting. You
Oh, Boomer.
disgusting human being.
I like
Yeah.
seltzer water underneath my mask.
You're disgusting. Oh snap! I texted you because you wanted to see those photos.
That's the last hand sanitizer in the world.
Oh no! We have to keep this precious right on this. This world can end any minute! Ooh, that is freezing! Don't.
Hey, we're breathing this thing.
No, Dad, you can't take it. It's under my shirt.
Your content thing. Put that on.
No. It must stay hidden. It's the last hand sanitizer in the world! Oh, the face cam zoom doesn't zoom in. It's the last one in the world! Put your mask back on.
Stop, before you all get infected.
Dad, you keep Ew, what are you doing?
It's 6 for 4.
What is wrong with
6 for
you?
4. Okay, what's on sale?
Let
So you get what's on sale for dinner.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do you know everything's on sale for Corona?
We're gonna get so far out of here soon.
Hawaiian punch. Hawaiian punch. Hawaiian punch.
What we got?
Hawaiian punch. Why no
Oh yeah, 3
Hawaiian
for 5.
Why no Hawaiian punch?
Pepsi Pals. Diet Pepsi.
Oh no, not soda. Soda's, no, lemonade, Minute Maid.
Stop.
Minute Maid lemonade.
Stop.
What am I doing? My dad doesn't love me.
My wife doesn't even love us.
I
She doesn't
know.
care about our safety.
Dad, keep that mask on. Look, now we are prepared. When the world ends, they're staring at us. Oh, look at the Macarena. 1 Maca, 2 Maca, 3 Maca. It's fucking to the Macarena. 1 Maca, 2 Maca, 3 Maca. Oh no, my phone! My mom hit me with a bag of popcorn!
Did we get coffee?
Get the coffee!
Wait.
Jiffy! You have to get toilet paper in a jiffy!
I'm not even laughing at that. It's not funny.
I'm a Larry cow! There's no more meat. Ow! What?
Holy
Gross. Look at that meat!
Okay, each. You're going too far.
No, I'm not
Too
going too far. Corona hits hard, man. And the worst part is we do actually need toilet paper.
Yes, baby, I'm right here.
Look at those coupons. Dad, how do you feel about the sudden outbreak of Corona? Who is this lady? You said you don't want to talk to us. You said you didn't want to talk to us.
I don't. Do we need 4
She's
packs of
upset
No,
Oreos?
I have all the folks downstairs.
Mom's upset because she's going to die
I
of
said, do I
Corona.
need 4 packs
You're going
of
to die
Oreos?
also.
I know it's not antibacterial.
Mom, can I borrow your phone for something? Mom, can I borrow your phone?
No.
Why?
Because you're an idiot.
It's Corona time. Those are paper towels! No! Dad, the worst part is we actually do need toilet paper though. That's the worst part.
If you're a man, this will work.
Wait.
You brought it. You gotta have a tough butthole.
When you're out of toilet paper, you have to improvise. This is the toilet paper section. This is so sad. People are overpreparing. People are insane. It was a joke. Jesus, ones. It's Corona time. I bet there's gonna be no milk. All the bacon is still here though. That's the depressing part. It's Corona time. Ah! My dad almost ran away. Hello, sir. How do you feel about the sudden outbreak of Corona?
I think it's a little bit overblown, but I'm not going to take any precautions, so I'm going to really make sure that I'm not putting myself in any harm's way from other people that may be infected.
So, that's why you're wearing a gas mask?
Just drink Budweiser.
What? Alright, you're getting scared.
Why? Oh, the milk is already gone. This video, sorry, this video is so long already. I'm gonna end it here. I'll talk to you guys when I get better. That went better than expected.
Watch, so many people infected in there.
I couldn't even breathe.
The stench of Corona in the air.
Also, we stole
Not like that guy's cigarette falling into the store.
we also stole like 50 plastic bags.
Fuck the planet. I'm glad I forced my way.
I'm exiting the store. Mission complete. 5 stars. Subscribe.
The Corona is strong with that one.
Subscribe. I saw that girl. In her face, you could just see.
You totally do that.
You could see the Corona in her face. If you guys enjoyed this video, which I know you did, because this is amazing, hit that like button, subscribe, keep on flipping. My dad is a boomer, and I'm doing the face on you guys.